Introduction Plus Affiliate Program, Associates 2026. In 2026, Amazon offers multiple ways to make money without owning a factory, without creating your own products, and without shipping items yourself. 3 of the most accessible business models for beginners are Amazon Affiliate, Amazon Associates Program, Amazon Drop Shipping, Online Arbitrage, Retail and Online Arbitrage. Each model has its own rules, requirements, and profit structures. In this video, we will break down each one step by step, explain how they work in 2026, and show how you can start as a beginner. Amazon Affiliate, Amazon Associates Program. What it is. The Amazon Affiliate Program allows you to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products through tracking links. You do not buy products, you do not ship products, and you do not deal with customer service. Your job is to send traffic, and Amazon does everything else. Who it is for. Beginners with a website, a YouTube channel, a social media page, or an audience. How it works. Step 1. You create content. Step 2. You recommend products using affiliate links. Step 3. Users click the link and buy from Amazon. Step 4. Amazon pays you a commission. How much you earn. Commission structure 2026. Commissions vary by category. In 2026, the average ranges are luxury beauty, 10%, 12% tools and home improvement, 4%, 5% electronics, 1% 3 fashion, 6% -8% home, 3%, 4% Amazon devices, 1%, 3%. These numbers vary by region and change throughout the year. Important policies in 2026. Amazon has strict rules for affiliates. The most important include checkmark, you must disclose affiliate links, FTC disclosure. Checkmark, you cannot hide links in PDFs or private documents. Checkmark, no misleading claims or fake reviews. Checkmark, no paid traffic directly to Amazon links. Checkmark, no email marketing links without permission. Checkmark, no cookie stuffing. Checkmark, no price manipulation or fake discounts. Failure to comply may result in account termination. FTC disclosure requirement. In 2026, you must clearly tell viewers that the links are affiliate links. Example disclosure for English content. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. This must be shown on your website, in your video description, or near the affiliate link.